Redeem the best code IROO now and enjoy a generous 150% welcome bonus on first deposit. To do this, go to the site and click register, then fill out all the necessary data. Look for the line promo code and enter there IROO. You can copy the code in the description or in the comments. If you have checked that the promo code is entered correctly, complete the registration. Important, the promo code bonus depends on the country from which you register. That's all, the promo code is activated. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.